probably of PrestaShop have some problem, and so you wanted to know you can help me. Am I right or not?
Yeah.
Okay. So you were referred by Nemeo as the prestataire to put the plugin and well, not the plugin, yeah, the module on the PrestaShop and make the Google Analytics works. And so I'm just taking the job. I've been in position as director of digital marketing since 2 weeks. And we have problem with Google Analytics since September. And so I just wanted to know with you, is it a problem with the tracker? Do you think it's like a module problem? And if you have any idea or where we should put our attention to make sure that we can solve the problem. Does it make sense or not?
Okay, sure. Abdullah bhai, you can see.
Okay, okay, I got the point you said. Basically, I was also talking with Khomeini about that the plugin we are using for GeoFo tracking PrestaShop may have some problems. And also,
Yeah.
in European region, there's a very much data privacy and data
That's
regulations.
true.
That's why the tracking code is not being able to fire properly. That's why
Okay.
the browser side tracking, the plugin tracking that we do is browser side tracking. So the solutions now, the Google and other marketing platforms gives us is tracking from server that we can do now. That I was also talking with Khomeini that we can offer him a server side tracking with Google Tag Manager. Okay, so to do this, we need it's upgradations of tracking. Google has some days ago have upgraded to GFO. Now they are offering server-side tracking. So yeah, that's it. We can do that now with Google Tag Manager. Yeah, if you want, we can do this.
So you can update. So you tell me well understood, because I think either it's my headphone or the mic. It's a little bit blurry in terms of audio. So what you can do is update directly the modules or update the
No.
Google Analytics. Yeah,
Not
tell me.
updating the module. We will connect the tag manager into your website.
Okay.
To do this, we may need help of your developer to connect a GTM to your website. Then later we will track all the events with Google Tag Manager.
All right, makes sense. So you can have how could I say that? A return, a feedback to know if it works or not. And that's why you need the developers, yeah?
Yeah, let me, if you want, I can share my screen and show you what I want you to do or what I want your developer to do. Yeah, that's it. Let me.
Wait, I'm just gonna record it so I make sure that I can explain
Yeah.
to the developer properly.
The session is being recorded. I will send you the link later.
Great. It's just to make sure that I transmit to Nemeo, which is our guys for the developer with PrestaShop.
Yeah.
I give the right information because sometimes they can be a little tacky on that.
Yeah, got it. Okay.
I got you.
Okay, what we are doing now, we are using Khomeini bhai, please share his screen so that I can show his website. I think the website is live on your end.
Okay, let me share my screen. So as you can see, that is your website backend. Now you can see you are using this module. You can see.
Yes.
So now
Yes,
we just need to be as you can see, that is Google Tag Manager. So we just need to be enable and backend put this Google Tag Manager configuration code. Code plays this code is head. Put this code is head. Then we are all configured to server-side tracking stored by Google Tag Manager. It's really help to get track your data. But that is, as you can see, that is the step, and that is means by here is the helping to get your iOS user and other user. As you know that iOS user most important, and that is your Europe country not able to track every people data. So that's why the other solution is iOS 14 updates the server side tracking. So basically here is first 10,000 request is free. Then per month is $20 charging by this step account.
Wait, just to make sure I understand, I just want to know, because I'm not I will tell you, I don't always understand exactly what you're saying. So this website is to test the tracking and you give 10,000 free, and then it's paid. Am I right on that?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, gotcha. Oh, so I understand it mostly of what you say, actually.
Yeah.
So
And as you can see, we're already as you can see, that is the pro version, my another client. And as you can see, here is data already is passing is 1%. And as you can see, this type is pro. And this one is
nothing
pro.
is passing in Europe, and that's what you were
Yeah.
saying about the Google Analytics and privacy setting. Yeah.
Yeah.
As you can
And
see,
brother, we will implement your tracking on Euro server. That is that will not, Google Analytics, Google store the data in the US server, but we will
Yep.
store our data now our US server, EU server. Server location is Germany. This is under EU, so that will be
Okay.
totally secure tracking, and also we will track based on our own domain, and that will be first party domain tracking. What we track now under Google domain, that is not first party domain, that is third party domain. So to do everything we will do with Step, because this Step will be our rented server. We will pay them and they will store our data, and everything will be more accurate than ever with just
Is it the
plugin
only
track.
way that we have to bypass the kind of quote unquote security problem that we have with the UN, like the European, legislation? Okay. Do you know what I mean on that?
Yeah. This step server-side tracking will help you accommodate with privacy.
All right.
You can
Sounds
search.
good.
Yeah, you can search
And
and
that's
state
and
that.
that's
Yeah,
go ahead, sorry.
you can search and state is server-side tracking GDPR compliant? It's also GDPR compliant.
Okay. All right, good. And so now you're gonna need my my workers, so my developers, to make sure that they just put the trackers
GTM code.
and
GTM code.
yeah. I know about this, but then we don't have the end on. If it was WordPress, I would do it myself. But then since it's PrestaShop, we have people working for us to do that. So we're good on.
Okay, brother, basically, okay, so to do server-side tracking, that is so much complex things, and most of them don't know how to do it properly. As you know, we have a lot of experience on doing tracking analytics with Google Tag Manager and configuration with server. So to do this, for as it's a commerce site, doing with a lot of products, so there needs lots of customization. Every tag trigger variables will be configured customly, not with just a single click plugins. We will send you a report, a long report, what we have done, and we are getting with server-side tracking. So to do this, our project price will be total 300 euro.
All right, so it's noted. So 300 euros to do what exactly? Because establishing the trackers are gonna see with my guys of the PrestaShop. And what do you do?
Establishing
so I know,
tracking
just so
in
I
the
know.
tag manager. There will be two containers. Khomeini, please give me access to the screen so that I can show him. Okay, there will be
Yeah.
two container. You see, there is only one container, which is only browser container. We will create another container. Let me show with another.
admin.
Here is admin, and if I show you, we are now using browser container. If I click here, we will also create server one, and that we will configure with your website and Step. So everything should be, you see, you will be amazed what we have done later.
Okay. All right. So I understand what you're saying. So if you can ask me, make me a paper so I can justify with the other team what you're gonna do. And yeah, we're gonna probably move forward. I just need to check because it's Friday. You can imagine
Yeah,
that my
and every of your
developer team
website
is not working right now.
and every of your website needs to be server-side tracking. Google is highly recommending us to track from server, and also all the marketing platform. Say Facebook will also
I
recommending
don't
us
understand what
to
you're
set up.
saying. What did you say?
Google is highly recommending us to set up server-side tracking for all the GFO. And also other marketing platform, Facebook Conversion API, they are offering server-side tracking. There are many server container we are configuring, and most of our clients now just taking the service of server-side tracking. And we will also use cookie lab extender. Because of iOS 14 updates and ITP algorithm, the cookie lifetime is reduced from 2 years to 6 months or 18 days, 20 days. Lifetime is very low. So that we will implement with Cookie Monster with custom template. that is not possible with just a custom with a simple plugin. That can be done with
Yeah.
manually with Google Tag Manager. That we will do, and we do every time for our clients.
All right, sounds good. So I'm gonna not take much more of your time. I understand the proposition. I understand what you're gonna do. If you can just send me the video to make sure that I can go through all the point and make sure I don't forget anything. And I'm gonna see my developer team Monday, and we're gonna try to move forward with all that. Okay?
Okay,
Okay.
sure.
Do you have anything else to add?
No.
No.
Maksud
You
দেখা
guys, you
যাচ্ছে
guys
দেখা
seems to
যাচ্ছে।
know what you're doing,
We
so
need,
you're pretty good.
brother, we need now, we have now GTM, we have now GFO. So we need Khomeini will just send the GTM code in a file, and you need to place the code in the website. And later we have access to your Step account. We have access to your Step account. So please create a account in step.io, and please send us the ID and password. Okay, so that we can configure the server in Step for you. Got it?
All right, so I gotta tell you, like it's 21 where I am right now. I am already over my hours, and I already worked a good amount today, so maybe I'm gonna do that Monday. What do you say? Is it a problem for you guys that I do Monday? I don't understand.
No. It's okay. It's okay. Monday is okay. No problem.
Yeah, just wanted to make sure, like, you know, are you short on time or not? I wanted to arrange you guys too. But yeah, I'm over my time already, so I'm gonna see with my developers. But I understand it's pretty easy. You want me to create, like, you know, Strap and put the GTM code. But I will do that Monday. Okay?
Okay, sure.
GTM code in the head section of the website. Okay.
Yeah, it's a section on the site where you put it usually.
Yeah.
All right. So you guys are pretty competent. I will say. Nemeo, like, you know, it's my coders team. You seem to they're pretty lucky to have fun, you guys.
Yeah.
All right. We do that. Send me the video, send me the paper, and we work on that Monday. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
All right. Have a good weekend, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
You
Thank you
have
so
to
much.
have a good day.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.